Okay, sir.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sallam. Brothers and sisters all over the world who are seeing me.
Hello, madam or mama. You have seen the examples. Anytime if you are divorced, no one should be blamed. Iko wapi? Kimbia haraka. I divorced, you don't blame me. Look at this one.
Mama kunayo?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ramadhani Abubakari Professor. Gano gemoka omusajja yava eggulu najja nawangangukira mu kifo ky'Ekasese asavinze ebbanga lyonna mu mirimu gya vulnerable ni wabo bonna abaliko obulemu mu kitundu kino. Fazze okumukyalirako mu lugendo lwaffe twabadde okujja okutuuka wakaawe embeera ennyumba gy'erimu bayerabikiriza. Ramadhani Abubakari gwe twogerako essaawa yonna Town Council emugobawo olw'ensonga nti ekiddala ekiri mu kiyungu nsanze n'akamere tekalimu. How are you?
Fine.
And what do you need? What would you wish the public to help you with?
Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa
Salam.
my names are called Abubakar Twahir, Professor nickname, and Muti also nickname. I am very, very much pleased now since you have already seen really my house is collapsing. It has collapsed, of course. If there were no these poles here, I would already have been swept. Instead of water sweeping people, it would be me myself. Now I am very pleased to see that really this one has come. It seems as even if I got, let me say, gold from heaven. God is the one who has bringing this shake with you people, help us really to my home to serve me. So I request God to serve your life. You either make your house to just be on me, so that really I finish the remaining years.
Professor, how do you find yourself when it rains? How do you survive?
Whenever it rains, really the leakage of the rain, we all get seated with the children. This is one they cry what until the rain gets finished. So this is really the life I am having. Even the house you have seen them, these are only the best dresses of them. Otherwise the others you see them just because of what? I'm very poor, I don't have. I'm disabled. I have no, yes, I have a small education. I would work. I was working and so forth, but at this stage now, I'm jobless. And now the work of these days in Uganda, we work physically. So wherever I go, then I want to seek for a job, they say that you are disabled, you cannot afford. So now I'm here, we don't eat even if they are here. We cannot even, at this time, even there is no smoke in the kitchen. They are waiting for me. If really I can bring raw cassava, I roast and then they eat. Then we drink water with them. So my Lord, really, I'm really crying. Even I'm very, 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 very shocked to see that this chance has come where it is God who has sent you people to me here. So I request God to refund all what he has done to me, and also should give you a big reward. Really. I have nothing to do except if you want even tears. I have tears out because almost I'm sick. Even I can faint because of I feel too much happier. Whereby if I continue, I might collapse. Even I can just die here. But before I die, I must enjoy the heaven you have brought to me. I must see. I've already seen the structure, and I request God really. That's why I'm tired. Otherwise,
brothers and sisters, akasera kano. Let me take you. Let of you, Professor, help us and take us where we're going to construct another house for you, inshallah. Go and show us the place where we're going to. So mikwano gyaffe emirungi, essaawa zino tuli mu kifo we twagala okuzimbira Profesa ennyumba naye abeere nga afuna awaka wasobola okubeera n'okukumira abantu be. Ndize ne ba engineer betwekakasa nti balungi nga tuli Kasese tugezeeko insha Allah tulabe nga Profesa tubaako kitusobola omuyambako abeere nga asobola okukyusa ku bulamu bwe. Muganda wange omulungi, muganda wange omulungi njagala okutegeeza nti omulimu guno bismillahirrahmanirrahim tusazeewo tugutandike nga tusaba Allah tabaraka wa taala abeere nga agukkiriza nammwe mwenna abeeteeseteese n'abasazeewo okulaba nga omulimu guno tugutandika. Mukama Katonda abasiime. Eno ennyumba yakutaano tugenda okulaba nga tugezaako okuzimbira abantu abali disabled era nga tusazeewo guno omulundi tujje saidi z'e Kasese tutandike omusingi Profesa abeesobola okulaba nga alina waabeera. Kyali wasula tosobola kukikkiriza era tosobola tewali ali egombye kubeera mu bulamu bufaanana bwe. Tusaba mukwatireko insha Allah tubeere nga tukola omulimu guno Profesa atesobola okulaba nga afuna waabeera. Olunaku z'omwezi olwaleero tutandise omusingi ogusooka era nga tusaba biizinillahi taala Mukama Katonda akkirize. Tetwetaaga ku nnyumba eno mulimu tusobola okulaba nga bazinga tutandika foundation. Twetaaga buloka nga trip ya buloka ya mitwalo 16. Trip emu ya buloka ya mitwalo 16. Twetaaga omusenyu nga trip y'omusenyu ya mitwalo 10. Twetaaga sementi, ensawo ya sementi ya mitwalo 3. Twetaaga buloka trip 5 nga buli buloka sofa ezitandika trip 5 ezigenda atandika nga buli trip bagitunda emitwalo 15. Kitegeeza ye milioni emu n'ekitundu. Twetaaga omusenyu trip 5 nga buli musenyu trip ya mitwalo 10. Kitegeeza gye mitwalo 5. Twetaaga sementi ensawo 10 nga buli nsawo ya mitwalo 3 ze milioni 3. Baganda baffe abalungi n'abakozi twagala obategeeza bagenda okukola omulimu guno kubanga sifa bagenda okusobola ogukola. Ffe tituli bazimbi naye bayinginiya betufunye nga nabo bayinginiya beetaagayo akasente basobole okulaba nga bakola omulimu guno. Nkusaba mwannyinaze muganda wange tudduukirire omusajja ono obulamu bwalimu ne famire gy'alina. Bano abaana boolaba enkya be bagenda okubeera abakulembeze b'enkya, bano abaana boolaba enkya be bagenda okubeera baminisita b'enkya. Oba oli awo naffe bwe bulamu bwe twakuliramu njala okulaga nti obulamu bwalimu bantu bangi ababukuliddemu ng'era bwe bawangaaliddemu ng'era bwe batuukiddemu ku buwanguzi naye Katonda n'avaayo gye bali n'asobola okulaba nga bayambako. Omusajja ono omutwalo gwo gw'ogenda okukwata omuwe oba emitwalo 2 oba 3 oba 4 oba 5 paundi 10 oba omutwalo 2 oba paundi 2 oba 3 z'onoomuwa n'asobola okufuna waabeera ogenda kuba otadde tafaali ddene ku nnyumba ya ku bulamu bw'omuntu. Si Profesa yekka wabula bano abaana ye n'obakala ogambe nti tomutunuulidde naye guno omusingi omuto ogufaanana bwe buti. Njagala okutegeeza nti bano abaana emyaka gye balimu tukyabalinamu essuubi ddene nnyo okubasuza awalungi ne basula awalungi ne batubambaza bulungi. Tuba tuyina ettafaali ddene lye tutadde ku ggwanga lyaffe lye tutadde ku nsi yaffe. Tubasaba mutuyambe mikwano gyaffe nga tubeegayirira mu mbeera yonna tusobole okulaba nga tuzimbira omusajja ono ennyumba afune waabeera. Brothers and sisters, as I'm talking right now, I'm in Kasese district. I have come to visit one of our vulnerable people or one of our beneficiary under our charity organization. We came across Professor Abubakar. He's called Professor as a nickname. His name is Abubakar Twaha. So we found out that where he stays, his house is in very bad state. So we decided to try our best so that we can help him to get a house through you people, inshallah ta'ala. So brothers and sisters, I call upon everybody, anybody who can support us so that we can help him to have a house. I assure you, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, whenever you donate, whatever you donate, the smaller it is, it's going to be counted in front of Allah and you're going to get a blessing through it. Brothers and sisters, look where I stay, look where you sleep, Look where you live. Look around your house, the house you're staying in. Look around the house where you're staying in. Subhanallah. How does it look like? And look at this man. Look at these 12 kids, where they are staying. Their life is so difficult. To appreciate God for the life you are in, donate something so that we can build for him a house. We need 5 trips of bricks, and each trip can cost 150. That is $50 or 45 pounds. We need 5 trips of bricks. Each trip it costs $50 or 45 pounds. You can donate $50. It means that you've bought a trip of bricks. You can donate 50 pounds, 45 pounds. It means you've bought a trip of bricks. We need the sand, which costs $35. We need a sand, which costs $35. We need 10 trips of sand, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. Again, we need the cement, which is cost $10. Each bag it costs $10. And we need 100 bags of cement, inshallah. So brothers and sisters, let us join hands. Let us join hands so that we can support our brothers. Our donation numbers 0782 883 882, 0782 883 882, or 0702 34 92 77. Brothers and sisters, please, let us help one another. Let us help our brothers. Let us help our sisters. Let us help our kids. Let us help our in-laws, inshallah. This man is in Kasese district, but he migrated from Arua. So right now he is in Kasese. People from Kasese, let us join hands. People from Arua, let us join hands. People all over the world, let us join hands so that inshallah we can help this man. So brother Taha, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, there are people outside there. They are ready, inshallah, to help you and build for you a house so that you can have a peace of mind, so that you can have a privacy, so that you can stay like other people. You can say a word to them, a thanking word, and inshallah, promise them that you will be keeping them with them in prayer, inshallah ta'ala. Inaongea Kiingereza, ongea Kiswahili, hakuna shida.
Swahili vile
Hakuna shida. Kiingereza baadaye Kiswahili.
Okay. I'm very grateful to you people. I don't know what I can talk to you. Now I've seen we are already in the scheme. We are now here at the making foundation and so on. So my heart is almost to burst, but I just make myself strong, so knowing that really I don't want to faint either. I die before I enter the house. So I have nothing to do. And I would go, even I would roll myself in front of you, even here, but now I'm controlling. If that heart is burst really, I will die even before I enter the house. So, no problem. I have still more to thank you. If really God helps you, so I beg you, really God bless you. And inshallah, what you are assisting me, you will get a reward from God. And God should recommend that. And Allah should put it there. The time when everyone says, among of you, the time reaches, please God should direct your soul, direct it to paradise. Paradise, Jannat al-Firdaus. Not the other Jannas which are not, but Firdaus Jannah. Allahu Akbar.
Brothers and sisters, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Wasim Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. So huko na mtoto anataka kushukuru nasi watu. Yeye amesema ameshukuru watu na chasi yake. Okay. Ushukuru nasi mwambie.
Hello. Wewe sema kwa Kiswahili sasa.
Ushukuru nasi.
Washukuru watu wanakuja kujenga hapa. Asante sana kukuja.
Waalaikum salaam.
Sema.
Nawafikiria masani kutujengea nyumba. Hii nyumba yetu inabia usiku, mvua inaanguka inabia usiku, tunalala tumeikaa chini. Mvua ikianguka wanasema mtukie chini tupana lala. Watoto wadogo wanashinda wanalia, mvua inawanyesha wanakufa usingizi walala, wanashinda wameikaa. Mkitujengea nyumba Allah atawafungulia jana mzuri.
Amin, amin, amin. Kama wewe?
Huyo la itakuwa
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Naombea mama, nenda tujengea nyumba. Tunaombea mtujengee nyumba, tuingie vizuri, mvua inatuangukia na tupiga, tupana lala usiku. Tunalala tumekaa, watoto wadogodogo wanalia usiku. Naombea, asante kutujengea nyumba.
Brothers and sisters, you've heard those kids using the very strong words, thanking you for the gift you've decided to give to them. They are said that it has been rain. When it's rain season, they couldn't sleep. They could wake up and squatting down like this because of too much rain. They cannot sleep. So now they are saying that they are going to get another house. They have prayed for you. May Allah bless you and give you paradise. Mind you, the dua for those kids, it's answerable. It's answerable because they have NSC. They have no sin in their account. So brothers and sisters, whenever you want that dua to be reached to you, help to donate so that we can build for them a house. So today is him. He's a man of 73. Tomorrow maybe it can be someone else, the one you know, or someone else, the one related to you. Whenever you donate, whenever you help the needy, whenever you assist the needy, just know that you opening your door for blessings. You open your door for protection. You open your door for Jannah, inshallah. So thank you so much, brothers and sisters. We assure you, inshallah, before I leave Kasese, I have to make sure that at least the foundation has been started, and bi-idhnillahi ta'ala, we are assuring you within a short period of time, through your support, we're gonna make it, and we shall bi-idhnillah be showing you everything so that we can make it for him, so that we can support everybody. Just know that this charity, it's not in Kampala, it's not in Wakiso, all over the world. We started in Wakiso, today we're in Kasese. Next time we are going to Jinja. The other time we shall be in Iganga. The other time we go to Mbarara. We are going to spread the word of charity, the work of charity, the service of charity all over the world. We shall be looking for vulnerable people. We shall be looking for elders. We shall be looking for them, not them to look for us. It's us to look for them. We have to make sure that your donation you donate will reach it to the real people in need. Thank you so much. Keep on donating. You can send your donation via the account numbers, the one you're going to see there. If not so, you can use World Limit, you can use SendWave, you can use Western Union, you can use mobile money. You can send whatever you can on 0782 883 882 or 0702 34 9277. Allow me to repeat the number: 0782 883 882 or 0702 34 9277. Donate whatever you can so that we can support this kind of family, so that we can support these kids. It's tomorrow. It's a project so far we have bi-idhnillahi ta'ala in Kasese. Support the project. Donate for the project. Let us help the needy. Just donate when you know that Allah is gonna reward you abundantly. Be assured that Allah will reward you for that. You are a Muslim, you are not a Muslim, you can donate. The charity is open for everybody. Donate, God is gonna reward you abundantly. I want to promise you that we've started the foundation and we are waiting your support so that we can proceed with the program. Barakallahu fikum wa jazakallahu khair. Don't forget the number, donation number 0702 34 9277 or 0782 883 882. Send whatever you can via Western Union, via World Limit, via SendWave. We shall receive it, and we promise you that we shall reach it to the real people in need. Thank you so much. May Allah reward you. We pray to those people who are donating always. May Allah bless their wealth. May Allah grant them paradise. May Allah accept whatever they are doing, and may Allah reward them abundantly. وهي الجنة. هؤلاء المشاهدين نحن في محافظة كاسيسي جئنا لزيارة المساكين والمحتاجين والذين والأوامل. اليوم الحمد لله وصلنا عند الواحد من الشيخ اسمه طه، هو من المحتاجين الذي ما عنده شيء ولا للأكل. سبحان الله. الرجل مسافر سافر، هو سافر من أروى، مهاجر من أروى إلى كاسيسي. والله بلا شيء. الآن يعيش مع 12 أولاد في البيت والأهالي البيت سيئة جدا 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 بغاية. لذلك نريد إن شاء الله نبنى له بيت الجديد حتى إن شاء الله يعيش زي الناس. شوف البيت الذي تعيش فيها، شوف البيت الذي تنام فيها، شوف البيت الذي تعيش فيها نفسك سبحان الله، وشوف البيت الذي هو يسكن فيها. لذلك إن شاء الله نطلب منكم مساعدة حتى نقوم للبيت الثاني، للبيت الجديد إن شاء الله، حتى هو يعيش في حال الطيب. عنده 12 أولاد بذورة وهم يعيشون في حال السيء. أي وقت ممكن البيت سقط عنهم. لذلك نريد إن شاء الله ننصرهم ونسأل الله ينصركم إن شاء الله. ممكن ترسل لنا أي شيء على قدر تستطاع، يا 100 ريال 200 ألف ريال، أي شيء إن شاء الله بالطريق إنجاز في اسم إلياس كيغوز. بارك الله فيكم وجزاكم الله خير. نسأل الله يوفقكم وجزاكم الله خير. نسأل الله يجزيكم خير. اللهم أنت الله الأحد الصمد الذي لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. اللهم بارك لكل منفق يا الله، اللهم زده البركة، اللهم زدهم التوفيق، اللهم انزل عليهم التوفيق، اللهم احفظهم واحفظ جميع المسلمين، اللهم ارحم موتانا وأموات المسلمين، اللهم اغفر لنا والوالدين وارحمهما كما ربونا صغارا. اللهم ارزقنا حبك وحب من يحبك وحب عمل يقربنا إليك. اللهم بارك كل منفق، اللهم بارك كل منفق، اللهم بارك كل منفق يا الله يا كريم يا ذا الجلال والإكرام. وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم والحمد لله رب العالمين. You can donate right now. We are on ground to set up the foundation inshallah. بارك الله فيكم وجزاكم الله خير. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله.